What if I told you there's one thing holding you back from the life you've always dreamed of? Would you want to know what that is? Here's a hint. It's not money, time, or even luck. It's something far more personal, and today we're going to uncover it together. When I was 16, I thought I had it all figured out, but I've stumbled, learned, and grown since then. These lessons reshaped my health, wealth, and relationships. Now, I want to share what I've learned so you can transform too. We've all made these mistakes. Skipping workouts, promising we'll start tomorrow. Grabbing unhealthy food for convenience, then feeling worse later. Or spending impulsively and regretting it. I've been there, and I've felt stuck, tired, overwhelmed, and frustrated. But once I faced these habits, things started to change. So here's what works. 1. Start small. A short workout or daily walk builds momentum. 2. Eat better. Simple healthy meals and water make a difference. And 3. Track your spending. Small financial steps lead to clarity. And most importantly, show up consistently. It's about progress, not perfection. So pick one area, fitness, health, or wealth, and take one small step today. So let me know in the comments, what will you start with? Big changes begin with small actions.